Long time no see. I have acne, ignore it. But I thought it would be a good time to film a little update video for you guys because I know it's been a really hot minute before you saw or since you saw me or Anna, and we're about to go on a vacation, and I'm sure that you guys would like to see this vacation, okay? So life update, I am now a lecturer at 2 universities. One of them is online, one of them is in person. I moved away from Greenville and am now living in the city with this university. And I know it's like weird that people don't say what city they live in because like it's a big city. What are the chances you would actually see me? That's the real question. But yeah, just for my safety, you never know who could be lurking on the internet. So that's that. My then boyfriend did move with me. Then boyfriend is now a fiance. So I'm engaged. Anna will be engaged by the end of the year. And yeah, I've just been living life, making money, and now I'm about to go on this trip. So I thought I would vlog a little bit. I don't know what Anna's up to. I'm sure she has started packing. Basically, Dad and everybody's going. Well, not everybody. Dad, my brother, me, Anna, and my fiance and her boyfriend. Anyway, I have a mess behind me because like I said, I'm trying to pack. And I have this suitcase here, some kitties. Do you want to say hi, kitties? Yep. This suitcase here, I have a big suitcase right there that I'm going to be checking when we fly. And we got some long flying days ahead of us. We'll be leaving in, oh my gosh, like 2.5 days. Today is Tuesday. Is it Tuesday or is it Monday? I don't even know. It's Monday. It's definitely Monday. We will be leaving bright and early on Friday, basically leaving before the sun comes up, so that'll be lots of fun. Anyway, I need to try to finish packing. I have to attempt to weigh this big suitcase because I really don't want to pay extra for an overweight bag. And if it is overweight, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, see you guys in a minute. So time got away from me yesterday. I ended up doing a little bit of cleaning because I feel weird about leaving my house when it's not clean, like I'm gonna leave the house for a week, you know. You can see obviously I'm doing a little fake tan. I look obviously darker than I did in that last clip, but so far today I have done this self tan. It's been on for about 3 hours now, and I'm aiming for 6. We'll see. I get a little nervous about doing this self tan that's ultra dark, so like I said, we'll see. And I have done a little bit more packing. I got my makeup packed up, I got some toiletries packed up. It is Tuesday, so we really only have 2.5 more days officially that we're going to be here because we're leaving super early on Friday. I don't know if I've mentioned that our flight is at like 5:30 a.m. or something. And I've also been getting some work done. I have 2 new courses in the fall that I've never taught before at the university level, so I've been trying to get those prepped ahead of time. I am the kind of person who procrastinates pretty badly, and it was really stressful this past semester having to prepare a lecture the day before I need to give it. So I'm trying to get as far ahead as I can. In the fall, I'll be teaching biological anthropology, a lab associated with that, and forensic science at my local university that I teach in person. And then the online university, I'll be teaching Intro to Human Evolution and Human Variation. So all anthropology classes, which is fine. I think in the spring I've actually been offered some forensic anthropology, so that will be really fun to kind of really narrow down my focus in forensics and talk specifically about how we apply it to anthropology. I got to figure out how to make a whole course out of it, but it'll be fine. It's been done. I've taken a forensic anthropology course, so I know that it can be done. Anyway, yeah, enjoy some of this B-roll footage, and I'll try to update you again soon for our pre-vacation vlog, or my pre-vacation vlog, because Anna's not here. Anyway, peace. Washed off my fake tan, and you know, it's looking okay. I made it to about 5 hours before I was starting to get a little stressed about how dark I was getting. It's now 3:45. Bradley usually gets off work at 4 o'clock, and he is cooking dinner tonight. So I thought that I would get out my watercolors. Let me show you guys this thing that I have. Okay, I moved to my office, so new background. I have these watercolor books that I got from Hobby Lobby, probably like actually a year and a half ago. There's this one in the ocean, this one in the forest, and they're basically, let me show you, I have done like a total of one thing, okay? I've done this little seahorse here, and it basically tells you all the colors that you need and gives you all the steps to paint this image here. And then it gives you like a sketch that you follow. So the next page is a lobster, and it's pretty cool. It kind of teaches you different skills with watercolor paints. And I told myself that I was going to get these books and then I was going to do one a day until I was done with them. Of course, I bought these a year and a half ago and I have done one. So my life, along with videos for this channel, it just really got away from me. But it is something that I kind of want to pick up because I just find painting really relaxing. And for my mom's birthday, our mom's birthday, we went to Wine and Design, which they typically use acrylic paints, and these are watercolors, so they're a little different. They don't really dry the same way. But yeah, it was just really relaxing, and I came home and Bradley was like, that's really good. So I kind of want to pick it up again, and I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'd really like to try oil painting. That's the kind of paint that Bob Ross used. If you're aware of his work, I'm sure you are. And the only thing is that like oil paints take forever and a day to fully dry. So when you're painting with them, there is some type of medium that you can mix with the paints to make it dry a little faster, but usually if you're going to want to paint something on top that's opaque, you want to wait like 24 to 48 hours before you paint on it for the second time. And then before you put it in a frame or anything, you have to wait like a solid week. So yeah, they take forever to dry, and I am concerned because they're kind of expensive to get into oil painting, and I don't want to just like mess everything up, and then I've spent all this money and then I'll get discouraged, and yeah, you know. Anyway, I'll let you guys watch as I paint. I'm gonna probably pick one from the forest this time since I've done one in the ocean, and I'm gonna work on that while Bradley is cooking dinner. So yeah, let's go back to the living room.